You maybe want to lick my balls? They have nuts.
Smells like balls.
Bakit ganon? Sinabon ko naman. Ayaw kuminin.
We tell ourselves that we are the Walking Dead.
Eh di hindi na kung hindi. Ano problema mo?
Pero bak, sinota mo ako eh. Sinota mo ang best friend mo.
Hoy, babaeng sinungaling, walang hiya kang malandi kang haliparot ka. Hindi mo alam kung paano gumanti ang pusong nasaktan ng ganito. Hindi mo alam.
You're hired.
Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley.
Don't have sex, because you will get pregnant and die. Don't have sex in the missionary position. Don't have sex standing up. Just don't do it. Promise?
Oh no.
Challenge accepted.
Ang pera natin, hindi basta-bastang mauubos. Pero ang pasensya ko, konting-konti na lang!